Alright, one door lock actuator. So I got a new door lock actuator. The one from my car is I got a standard. It's a DLA1. So it even has has a bracket, and you can bolt this one to it. Now, in the past when I was at the dealership, you unriveted it, you pulled this bracket off because all they gave you was the actuator, put the new bracket on the new actuator, and then riveted in a new one. I'm assuming since it came with this, it probably has bolts somewhere. Well, it turns out it didn't come with bolts, but I found a couple that I think are going to work. My daughter used to race go-karts years ago, and a buddy of mine that I was racing with introduced me to this tri-flow. Man, I've had really good success with it. We used to put it on our wheel bearings and our spindles, and I couldn't believe how long a wheel would rotate once we put that stuff on there. I mean,